Hi guys, and welcome to another CricHQ training session. Today we're going to be taking you through the auditing function on an iOS device. So I've got a match already set up here. Simply go into matches. Under matches, all your matches currently running or paused. So on our main scoring screen, on the right hand side, we've got this audit button. Now it's got all handy functions from inserting balls you missed, changing ones that you input incorrectly, changing your wickets, your bowlers, your batsmen, and deleting anything that you didn't mean to put in. So let's take a look. If we click on audit, we get this audit screen with your four main tabs. You've got batting, bowling, overs, and notes. Now notes is where all your new balls, power plays, close of play, anything you've made like that will be stored, and you'll be able to view them all from here. The main thing we want to look at is these batting, bowling, and overs. So under each of these is basically a category of every ball that each individual has done. Under batting, of course, is your batsman, what they've played. Now what they've played will come up highlighted. Anything else, of course, will be grayed out. We can go to bowling, see the exact sort of thing, but of course for the bowler. Now, the easiest one I'd find to use, especially for a first-time user, would be the overs. Simply click on the overs tab and you can see over by over all the balls. So the first thing we'll take you through is inserting. Now if you've missed a ball from the previous over, you can simply click on one of the balls either side of where you meant to put it. So we meant to put one to, say, the left of this one. Simply click on it and you have these two insert functions over here. Insert to the left, insert to the right. So we'll insert to the left. We've now got the opportunity to choose which type of ball it was, whether it was a penalty, whether it was a no ball, wide, by, leg by, or just a run. Now remember, you can scroll across on these, they all go up to 20. So we can choose 12 runs, insert that there. You can now see in the first over, next to 1, we've got 12 runs. If we click done, we can see that's added to the total score as well. If we go back into audit, and we go back into overs, we can also edit that. So if we click on that, we've now got these two insert, and we've also got this edit icon. So if we click on the edit icon, we can change all the details about that ball. Which batsman was facing it at the time, the bowler who bowled that at the time, and of course the run value. So we can change that back down to 3, and it'll change appropriately. Now a function I find particularly handy is changing bowlers. So if you've gone to the next over and realised that you hadn't bothered to change the bowler for the previous one, the new guy had come in, all you have to do is simply select on any ball from that over. It can be as far back as you like, between innings, etc. Click on a ball from that over, select the edit function, go down to the bowler, click on him, and now you've got the option to choose from all those players. Select who you actually meant, and you'll have this option, ball or over. So ball will obviously just change the bowler for that single ball. Might be a strange case where you have to bring in an extra bowler just for one ball, but most of the time, of course, you'll be using over, and this will change that bowler for the entire over, every ball that over. So that saves you having to go and delete every single event and re-entering them. A lot of time saved there. You can also change batsmen. So if you brought in the wrong batsman after a wicket, easiest way to change that is to select the event that happened after that wicket. Select the edit button, go to the facing batsman, and select who you actually meant to bring in. And now you'll get an option for ball or innings. So of course, if you meant to bring in another batsman, all you have to do is select innings, and every ball from that ball onwards, which the previous batsman had batted, will now be changed to the new batsman. Now editing wickets is a unique one. You've got plenty of options. Simply select the wicket, select the edit. Now this is quite a complicated run out. So here we've got batsman that went out, batsman wasn't out. Of course you can switch these and it'll immediately switch all those points around from those batsmen. So if you did select the wrong batsman to go out and you would continue to score, all these points will get switched over correctly and applied to the correct batsman. Now you can change the actual wicket type, simply by selecting that and then selecting the wicket type you meant, it'll also appropriately change the type back here. Now I can change any extras by selecting there, selecting what the extras actually were, or you can select the fielders and you can then change the thrower. You can add, subtract, and change any assists that also occurred there. So once you've made any of your appropriate changes, just remember to click the save button and all those will be pushed through and changed on your scorecard. Now if we go back into audit, there's one more main function left. If you go into overs and select the event, there's this function here, the delete function. So if you put a ball in you didn't mean to, one extra dot or one extra 3 and you didn't notice it, score's suddenly wrong, don't worry, just go back to your over, find out which one it was, press that button, you get a safety reminder, select delete ball, and that's gone from that over. So that's taken through the basics of auditing. Remember to keep watching for more training videos on how to use CricHQ to its full potential.